This video is gonna be your ultimate guide about Tinder and online dating. Now I know there are 1,000 videos about online dating on the internet, but quarantine is a time where keeping up your Tinder game is even harder, mainly because of two reasons. Number one, people are already too bored, and this results in something called the decrease in attention span. So basically you have to get her attention as soon as possible or else she is gone forever. Number two, you can't meet her and you can't go on a date. So you're already losing out on all the opportunities that you get when you meet a person face to face and get the chance to show your real personality. And this video is exactly made keeping in mind the fact that you cannot meet her and she's already bored, and also the fact that there are 20 other guys chasing the same hottest girl on Tinder out there. So if you really want to take your Tinder game to the next level, keep watching this video till the end. We are starting right now. Okay, so for this we are gonna break down the video into three parts. Number one is your profile, number two is your texting game, and last and the most important step, getting out of Tinder. Okay, so coming to point number one, that is your profile. When I talk about your profile, I'm basically talking about two things. Number one is your photos. When I talk about photos, don't post group photos with your chuddy buddies. Have some clear pictures. Learn some new poses to get the best out there. What I would suggest for this is hire a photographer for a day. Take about some 5 to 6 outfits, your favorite outfits, and get at least 20 photos from there. It would cost something starting around 2,000 and can go up to about 50,000 or even 1 or 1.5 lakhs. But I'd say that 8 to 10,000 is the best range. It is a bit expensive, but once you get those 20 photos, you can use those same 20 photos for more than 2 or 3 years. Number two is your bio or your about section. Okay, so I've seen a lot of guys which have some really nice photos, but their bio is something like, I am the reason why every girl's phone screen is red with lipstick marks. Your bio is 10 times more important than your photos. Why? Because men are basically attracted to looks and boobs, but girls are more inclined towards the behaviors, the interest, the personality and the insights of a guy. Spend some time on making a very attractive bio. Give special interest to the top 3 lines, because those 3 lines are the main lines which decides most of the game. Instead of keeping it short, I'll suggest that you keep your bio a bit long. Let her study about you. Let her spend some more time knowing about you. Okay, so now since you're done with making the sexiest profile ever, let's get to the next step, that is your texting game. Okay, so basics first. Do not send hey, what's up, how are you, good morning, good evening to start a conversation. So if not that, then how do you start a conversation? For this, there's a little secret, and that secret is called openers or conversation openers. See, there are 1,000 boys other than you sending the same messages like hey, what's up, good morning to her. Now why would she reply to you? You need to grab her attention at the very first message. This is where openers change the whole game and basically plays a very important role in starting conversations. I can't really explain here how conversation openers work because that itself is a very huge topic. If you want me to make a dedicated video on conversation openers, then subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. I'll make one as soon as possible, because once you master this openers trick, you can literally impress anyone in the matter of seconds. All I can say here about openers is openers are basically a blast of your sense of humor, and humor basically plays a huge role in bringing up the best conversations possible. Now once you had a killer first impression and had some basic conversations, it's time to move on to step number 3, that is get her out of Tinder as soon as possible. Because Tinder and online dating sites are places where you basically start a conversation and there are about 5,000 other boys trying to reach to the same girl that you are trying to reach. Once you think she is comfortable, ask for her number and dive into her WhatsApp. What this will do, this will set you apart from all the other guys on Tinder that are trying to text her. Now you at least know that you are not just another Tinder guy on her profile, you are at least something more than that. Now once you get to her WhatsApp, continue the conversations there. Okay, now one secret tip no one will tell you. Use voice messages. Voice messages are a great weapon to create that intimacy and get one step closer to her. Later on, when you guys get comfortable, you can ask her to FaceTime or video call. Just remember that you have to take one step at a time. And after about 15 or 20 days or about a month of texting, then comes the result of all your hard work. The day when you get her to a date. Now listen. Don't. Your love life can wait. The girl is going nowhere. But at this stage where there's something as big as COVID-19 going on all around this world, I think it's not the very best option to go outside and meet a person unnecessarily. Once this COVID-19 thing gets over, you guys can take your masks off and hey guys, thank you so much for watching till here. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.